Yo, what's going on guys? It's Therapy Shotgun back with another video, and today I will be teaching you how to upload vertical videos onto YouTube. So as you may know, there is something called YouTube Shorts, and in order to upload YouTube Shorts, your video needs to be vertical. So when I was uploading my YouTube Shorts, I came up with this problem where when I would upload it, it would just come out as a vertical video with two black bars beside it. So as you can see here, this is the If Action Movies Were Low Budget video. And everything seems perfectly fine while editing it, but right when I export as a file, if I try to watch it, you can see there are these two big black lines next to it, and this actually won't turn into a YouTube short. You need to get rid of these black bars. So in order to get rid of them, you need to download something called Handbrake. This is the website. I will link it in the description. What you need to do is you want to download Handbrake for your platform. After you downloaded it, you want to go back into your editing software, and what you want to do is you want to rotate everything counterclockwise by 90 degrees. As you can see my editing preview over here and over here, everything is to the side. Now what you want to do is you want to export the movie while it's sideways. Okay, now that it's finished exporting, look at the video. It looks sideways basically. It looks tilted. What you want to do now is you want to open Handbrake. After you open Handbrake, it'll automatically pop up like this. You want to look for the movie that you have downloaded and it is sideways. So in this case, it will be this movie right here. It is sideways movie that I've just exported. You want to click on it, click open. Once you get into this menu right here, you want to click on filters. You want to click on rotate and you want to click 90 degrees. This will rotate your counterclockwise 90 degrees back to its normal state, vertical. So after you turn this to 90 degrees, all you have to click is start right here, and it'll start downloading. As you can see, there's a bar on the bottom. Right here is where it's going to download to. So what you want to look for is the name right here. Okay, it has just finished downloading. I will go into my Finder, go into desktop, look up Fair OP Shotgun, name matches, and I will click on the one that looks like a house, because right here it has a house. I will double click it. And it also says it's saved in movies under Therapy Shotgun, so I'll double click movies. And sure is, right here, if I double click it, it is a vertical version without the black bars. Once you get to YouTube, you just upload this vertical one and it'll be turned into a short if you put #shorts in the description. I hope this tutorial has helped you, and see you next time. Peace out.